guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. By the time I upload this, it's gonna be at least a week or so into January. So today I want to do a video of my favorite products from 2018 because I don't really try once I like something, I don't really try like new products, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get out of that this year. That's one of my goals because I want to try like more of the new products that's out. Like I don't have a lot of things because I stick to the same things, you know, because when I do my makeup, it's usually like, oh my god, I'm about to go out, so I don't have time to be risky, you know what I'm saying? But this year I'm gonna try new products. I'm gonna try to be on launches, you know, trying different things. And yeah, so boom, let's get started. First I'm gonna start with my brows, of course. So I just have this little brow wiz, and if I'm looking over to the side, my mirror is right here, so sorry. But yeah, guys, I hope everyone's holiday was nice, and I hope everyone was safe, okay? But yeah, so let's get right into these products. So I'm gonna start with my brows, and I feel okay. And I got the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I got it in the mini version because I didn't know how I was gonna like it, and I don't want to waste my money. So yeah. And this little one was only 12 bucks. And this video is mainly about the products. So I'm going to be expanding my channel to more than just makeup videos. Because I noticed that's the videos that get like the most attention. You guys are interested in what's going on in my life. So I'm definitely going to share more. So I got my brows out the way. Boom. Now we're going to go into concealer. Tarte Shape Tape. And I wanted to try it out. And I just knew they were having like a lot of controversy with their shades and things like that. But I just wanted to try it out. And because I heard nothing good things about it, did expand it. But I did get a small one, okay? I got a small little tube. This is another sample size. I got this from Ulta as well. And this is in the shade medium. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, I love this. I love the concealer. Okay, I love it, honestly. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and highlight under my brows. So yeah, and then my favorite concealer for above my brows, I love my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is what I was using before I got into more of the high end. I was using this in my age rewind, but the age rewind, I don't have it in my natural shade. And above the brows, you wanted to put it to as close to your skin tone as possible. So this is in the shade 35 Deep. And yeah, I'm gonna put this above my brows. So I love my e.l.f. eyeliner brush for my brows, but I need to drag out the top first because it is my skin tone and I don't want to put that highlighter shade on top. So then I got these brushes off Amazon. It's called BS Mom, and I love how these blend things out. So I'm just gonna blend out that concealer now. And yeah, my favorite primer. And this is just my Maybelline Blur Stick, and I love these because they're tinted. And they cover your pores and things like that. So this is my favorite, and it works really good. I don't know if you guys can see like my little pores right here. Watch, it's like gonna disappear. See, it just like covers it, and I love that. So I usually put this places that needs like coverage for my pores because I don't put it all over my face. And I'm gonna take this look like right off after this because I have to go to work. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and like get to applying my foundation. Now Maybelline, I love y'all so much. Hopefully one day I can work with y'all because that's literally one of my goals. I love Maybelline so much and their products and everything. I love it. And one of my favorite, like I tried a lot of like high-end foundations and it just was like, it wasn't giving me enough coverage, or it was like, it just didn't work out for me. Like, cause most of them are like dewy and stuff like that, and I don't really care for like well, they are usually like sheer coverage, and I don't like put it on too much. But my Maybelline Superstay, I live by you, I love you, and this is my go-to, okay? And it stays on all freaking day. So I'm just gonna do a couple pumps just to get things started. And I like applying it with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Super duper cute, super cute. But yeah, and I just like putting this all over my face. So now I'm gonna go on concealer, and I'm gonna go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna just put that under my eye. And you know how some people just let their like concealer dry down. This literally takes 2 seconds to dry down. So yeah. But yeah, so I'm just blending out this concealer, and I love putting concealer like on my eyelid because it just gives it a little coverage. So yeah. So then I'm gonna go in and set my face. I love the setting products I use. Okay, fun fact, this was my favorite. I mean, not my favorite. This is one of my favorites, obviously, because it's in this video. But this was my first setting powder ever. Like when I started doing makeup, I learned about setting powders. I believe through Jackie Aina, I learned about setting powders. And I'm like, I want a setting powder, but I'm like, I was new to makeup. I'm like, where do I go to get one? So I just so happened to go to Family Dollar, and I'm like, oh my god, this says a loose setting powder. And girl, I got my LA colors, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use it. I don't care. I'm gonna try it out. And this, I fell in love, and I really love it. So LA Colors, you did your thing on this. I got it in the shade Natural. It's like a little tint of like my skin tone, so it's just perfect, and I love it. And I'm trying not to get emotional because this is like a big deal for me. Like a lot of the same, but I keep a lot of my products. But yeah, I want to do a video on things oh, and I'm mixing with my Nye Banana Powder, and this is light, so it's gonna give me more of a highlight. And my LA Colors is more my skin tone. It has a little tint, so I wish I can show y'all. So I mixed those. I hope it's don't fall over my computer. You see, so I mixed those, and yeah, I have my eyebrow razor here because I really planned on my eyebrows, but I guess it didn't work out. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. It's a little damp for a little bit, and I'm gonna bake under. Hey, that I was doing. But yeah, anywho, let me dust off some of this powder. Like, this is too much. This is too much, way too much on my forehead. Like, my forehead doesn't even get that greasy. I mean, that, you know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in and dust this off. Don't worry. I'm gonna go in and set the rest of my face with my MAC. With my MAC Studio Fix. I have this powder for years as well. This is in the shade, oh my god, shade's gone. I'm at the point where my shade number is gone. Okay, so I don't know, remember my shade. I think it's NC45 or something like that. But yeah, so here's the shade. Okay, and I'm just gonna set this everywhere that I didn't set with my setting powder, because yeah, I don't want that stuff all over my face. Because but yeah, this is how it really looks right now. But with my lighting, whatever. Then I'm gonna go in and spray my face to get some more color back, because I have so much powder on by MAC Fix Plus. Okay, and I'm just gonna spray my face. I'm gonna find something to help it dry. A container top, even better. I'm just trying this, and it just helps set everything into our face. Set everything into our face. And this is also the makeup routine I wore for Christmas. Everybody was asking me about it, and this was my routine. And or red lip. Okay, that's the only difference. But yeah, this is dried down now. So now we're gonna go in with our so now we're gonna go in with our bronzer. We're almost done here. We're gonna go in our bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer of the year. It was Black Radiance. it's a pressed powder, but it's really great for bronzer. Yeah. And I want to use my e.l.f. contouring brush to apply this. Okay. And these, if you watch my routine, these are literally products. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply that. I'm not running my nose with this brush, but I'm gonna go back in with that brush. I blended. What did I blend with this? My eyebrow concealer. And then I'm just gonna go down. I really been working on my nose contour too, y'all, because I love a snatched nose. And my thing was, I was scared to get like on the bridge of my nose. So now that I got out of my fear of that, like my nose contour's been better. Oh, and I would like to put it on my eyelid as well to define my eye a little bit, so my eye don't look so flat, since we did add like our filler and stuff like that. Okay, now we're gonna go and blend the rest of our concealer out. I'm gonna go back in my foundation. I mean my buffing brush. Then I'm going to use some setting powder under that contour. This is my favorite mascara on Instagram, but I know I don't mention this like a lot on my page, but this is honestly my favorite mascara. Okay, it's not drugstore, but yeah, but this is my favorite. It's by Lancomê and it's called Monsier Big. Okay, and I got a sample size because since I hate feeling bad. I feel really bad when I spend so much money on makeup. Like this, the full size of this, I think this was like $15, but the full size of this is $30. And yeah, I don't know, I'm trying to find a way to like not have to buy it, like, but I'm gonna have to buy it. And I don't really know my favorite primer. My other favorite primer is NARS Matte and Poreless. I'll insert a picture of that too. But yeah, so here it is, and it's gonna just give, it's like a little light, but it's gonna give like a little light to my lashes. So. Now let's do our lip gloss. And if you watch my videos, first of all, make sure y'all subscribe, okay? If y'all here watching, please subscribe. Like, a lot of my views come from people that's not subscribed, so please subscribe, please, you know, just subscribe. Okay, y'all know NYX Lingerie Lace Detail and my Brow Drama is my favorite combination for a new lip, so we're gonna go with that. I'm on the timeline, guys. I'm trying to like. But yeah, so here it is. And then I'm gonna go in over. I usually use my clear gloss, but it's somewhere in my end. So I'm using my Fenty Universal Fenty Glow lip gloss, and I love this as well. You can tell I used all of it, but I need more. But yeah, I'm going with that. And that is it. Okay, my Urban Decay All Nighter. I see it as a mini one because since the big one is about $30 to $42, why not get the small one for, how much is this? I think like $15, $12 or $15. Buy a small one, and then, you know, get the big one whenever it runs out. I will spray this and then going about my day. I'm not gonna waste my little spray because I'm gonna take the lip right on off. But I'm gonna do, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I think I'm gonna go record how to take off my makeup as well. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And bye. See you guys again in a couple days. Mwah.